Away they go, Capretiosa from the outside. And moving up, 11 Yan Queen. And rushing up is Lavi. On the further outside is Darlinghurst. Capretiosa, followed by Darlinghurst. Down on the inside is entry number 1. And this one is Love You by Heart. Rushing up is Lavi. Moving up, entry number 4, My Ray. And in between runners is 11 Yan Queen. Capretiosa, Love You by Heart, Darlinghurst, My Ray in the middle. As they race the last 600, Capretiosa by a length and a half. Darlinghurst on the outside. And moving up is So It's You 9A. As they race the corner, Capretiosa, So It's You, Darlinghurst, Luna Rosa, number 9 on the outside. As they race the final corner, Capretiosa, the leader. 9A, So It's You, Darlinghurst, Luna Rosa. 11, Yan Queen down on the inside is My Ray, Love You by Heart. And nearing the finish line, Capretiosa, So It's You, Luna Rosa rushing up. It's now Luna Rosa and finally Luna Rosa. 9A, So It's You, Capretiosa, Darlinghurst, 11, Yan Queen. And claim my prize.
Okay, cross.